Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of signing up for the mobile banking service of TD Bank. But before that, here's a short description about it. TD Bank, America's most convenient bank, is one of the 10 largest banks in the US, providing more than 9.6 million customers with a full range of retail, small business, and commercial banking products and services. So, if you want to find out how you can register for the mobile banking service of TD Bank, then make sure to stick with me till the end of the video. First of all, open the app TD Bank. After that, go to the account section at the top left. Now, you'll be able to see an option, Sign Up. Tap on it. You can either sign up for personal banking, small business banking, or personal and small business banking. Here, I'll be going with personal. After that, as you can see here, you need the following information in order to enroll. You'll need your social security number, your TD Bank ATM, Visa debit or Visa credit card, your email address, and your TD Bank account number. If you are the account owner for all accounts, then you need to tap right here, and after that tap on continue. Now you need to review and accept their e-signature agreement. To read it, tap on e-signature agreement, and once you have read and accepted it, tap on accept e-sign. You also need to review and accept their online banking agreement. To read it, tap right here. Once you have read and agreed to it, tap on accept terms. Now you need to provide all the information that has been asked here. Enter your first name, last name, email address, provide your personal account information, and all the other information that has been asked here. After that, tap on continue. Then follow the further instructions provided and give all the required details. Finally, you'll be able to register for the mobile banking service of TD Bank. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tech Quest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.